Apple is renowned for its ironclad secrecy, keeping future products under wraps until the big reveal. But in a shocking twist, some Russian YouTubers have managed to leak details of an upcoming Apple M4 MacBook Pro before its official launch. This is a massive breach that goes against everything Apple stands for, and today we're diving into the specs of the MacBook leaked by those YouTubers. Two Russian creators have posted videos in which they unbox what appears to be the next base model 14-inch MacBook Pro with an M4 chip. Apple, which hasn't announced the laptops yet, is rumored to have a launch planned for November. In the 13-minute video, the host sets up the laptop and runs some Geekbench tests alongside a 2022 MacBook Air. Based on the times and CPU scores shown in the video, these appear to be authentic benchmarks. Overall, the MacBook Pro shown in the video aligns with expectations of models with spec bumps, but no major outward changes. Then this afternoon, Gurman highlighted another Russian YouTuber, who also posted a video claiming to show the M4 MacBook Pro. Like the first video, its box features last year's wallpaper. However, this one includes a look at the About This Mac screen, indicating it has an M4 chip. Another Apple leaker, Shrimp Apple Pro, wrote on his Twitter account that a seller claimed to have 200 MacBook Pros in stock, calling this the biggest Apple warehouse leak he has ever seen. The leaked MacBook Pro reveals several notable upgrades. The M4 chip with a 10-core CPU is 25% faster than the M3's 8-core CPU. As rumored, it also comes with 16 GB of RAM as the new base configuration, doubling the previous standard of 8 GB, and supports up to 2 external displays with the lid open. Another key improvement is the addition of a third Thunderbolt port, bringing the entry-level model up to parity with higher-end configurations. It also looks like the entry-level MacBook Pro will be available in the space black color option for the first time. Despite these upgrades, the display, general design, and other features remain unchanged from the current MacBook Pro. These revelations come just weeks before Apple is expected to officially unveil its first M4-powered Macs, with a rumored release date of November 1. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple appears to be gradually moving away from its traditional annual release schedule for hardware and software, favoring a more staggered approach. This shift is evident with the introduction of iOS 18, where key features like Apple Intelligence are delayed and set to roll out in subsequent updates throughout 2025. As Apple's product lineup grows more complex, this strategy would allow for better quality control and innovation by releasing products and features when they are fully developed, rather than adhering to fixed timelines. So, we can expect the iPhone, Apple Watch, and its MacBook lineup may follow a multi-year or staggered release schedule to make the company's launches less predictable and more flexible. What are your thoughts on the latest leaked Apple M4 MacBook ahead of its launch in November? Tell me in the comments section. As far as I know, Apple has been pretty serious and strict regarding product leaks ahead of official launches, and there have been instances where Apple sued leakers for disclosing internal information about products. But here's the twist. These YouTubers are from Russia, and we all know that Apple is not officially operating in Russia since the conflict, so there's nothing Apple could do here. So, if you want to be a successful Apple leaker, then go to Russia. Jokes apart, and bye for today. Peace.